started in May 2020, as the pandemic was just beginning. I found myself traveling alone on the solitary roads of the United States. This experience, which was never in my mind, was a direct consequence of my divorce and the lack of a stable place to live. This is how I started two parallel journeys, one through the most beautiful and remote areas, and the other a profound journey inside myself. While walking among beaches, volcanoes, rivers, forests, and glaciers, I began to rebuild a new life. I had to overcome the fear of living alone in a world that, due to the restrictions and isolation imposed by quarantine, felt unfamiliar and hostile. After the first 16 months of living a nomadic life and traveling thousands of miles, I paused to organize the images and videos and sort out the ideas I had collected in my travel journal. Although I had been recounting my experience in my social media channels since I started my trip, it was only when I looked back that I had a clear idea of what happened to those locked in their homes and what had happened to me. I know many of you have joined my journey virtually, but because of you and your support, I decided to write a book with the images from my journey. I am a photographer and I have expressed myself visually throughout my long life. However, editing my pictures made me feel they could not convey the emotions and feelings accompanying those unique moments. So I started writing. When I finished the manuscript, it was so extensive that I had to adapt and edit it for months to balance what I saw and what I experienced. Creating the book became an adventure in itself, and that's when I decided to publish an ebook to embrace a broader audience. I will soon inform you of the different formats and platforms where you can purchase it. I will also provide precise instructions on accessing the digital image galleries accompanying the text, so you can have a good look of all the places that I visited. And I will be honored if you take this journey with me.